Avocados are more than just a delicious fruit. They are a symbol of health, vitality, and the wonders of nature. With their creamy texture and rich flavor, avocados have become a staple in many kitchens around the world. But there's so much more to this incredible fruit than meets the eye. They represent the possibility of new life, springing forth from a single seed. The journey of an avocado seed is a testament to nature's resilience and the magic of growth. From the moment you plant the seed, you're embarking on a journey of patience and wonder. Growing your own avocado plant is a rewarding experience, connecting you to nature's wonders. It's a process that teaches you about the cycles of life and the importance of nurturing living things. As you watch your plant grow, you'll develop a deeper appreciation for the natural world. It's easier than you might think, and the journey from seed to sprout is fascinating to observe. Each stage of growth brings new excitement, from the first tiny sprout to the development of leaves and stems. You'll find yourself eagerly checking on your plant each day, marveling at its progress. Imagine the satisfaction of nurturing a plant from its earliest stages. The act of watering, providing sunlight, and caring for your avocado plant can be incredibly fulfilling. It's a reminder of the simple joys of life and the rewards of patience and dedication. Picture yourself enjoying the fruits, literally, of your labor years down the line. The moment you pick your first homegrown avocado will be a moment of triumph and joy. You'll know that all your hard work and care have paid off in the most delicious way possible. This simple guide will equip you with the knowledge to embark on your own avocado growing adventure. From selecting the right seed to understanding the best planting techniques, you'll have all the information you need to succeed. It's a journey that's both educational and enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, this guide will provide a clear and easy-to-follow path to growing your very own avocado tree. Let's get started. With a little patience and care, you'll soon be on your way to enjoying the many benefits of growing your own avocados. So grab your gardening tools and let's dive into the wonderful world of avocados. The journey begins with an avocado you've enjoyed eating. Once you've scooped out the creamy flesh, carefully wash the seed under running water. Make sure to remove any lingering avocado fruit. This will prevent mold growth later on. Once clean, gently pat the seed dry with a towel. Avoid squeezing or applying too much pressure, as this could damage the seed. Now you have a clean and prepped avocado seed, ready for the next stage of its journey. This is where things start to get exciting. We need to suspend the avocado seed in water, and toothpicks are our secret weapon. Carefully insert 3 toothpicks around the circumference of the seed, spaced evenly apart. These toothpicks will act as supports, allowing the seed to hang partially submerged in water. Make sure the toothpicks are firmly embedded but don't pierce too deeply into the seed. Now, our seed is ready for its water bath. Find a clear glass or jar and fill it with water. The water should be at room temperature, not too cold or hot. Now, gently lower the avocado seed into the water, using the toothpicks to rest it on the rim of the glass. The bottom half of the seed should be submerged in water, while the top half remains dry. Place the glass in a bright location, but out of direct sunlight. A windowsill that receives indirect light is ideal. Patience is key, waiting for germination. Now we wait. The journey of growing an avocado tree from a seed is a test of patience and dedication. It's a slow process, but the rewards are worth it. The germination process can take anywhere from 2 to 8 weeks, sometimes even longer. Each seed is unique, and the time it takes to sprout can vary greatly. Some seeds may show signs of growth early on, while others may take their time. During this time, it's crucial to change the water every week. Fresh water provides the necessary environment for the seed to thrive. It helps in maintaining the right conditions for the seed to absorb water and nutrients. This ensures a fresh supply of oxygen and prevents any bacterial growth that could harm the seed. Stagnant water can become a breeding ground for bacteria, which can be detrimental to the seed's health. As you patiently observe, you'll begin to notice changes in the seed. The first signs of life are subtle but exciting. The seed will start to swell, indicating that it's absorbing water and preparing to sprout. The outer brown skin will start to wrinkle and eventually fall away. This is a natural part of the process as the seed sheds its outer layer to make way for new growth. A small crack will appear at the bottom of the seed, and soon a tiny root will emerge. This root is the first sign that your seed is coming to life. It's a delicate process, and the root will slowly grow longer and stronger. Excitement builds as you witness the first signs of life. The sprout will eventually break through the top of the seed, reaching for the light. This is the beginning of your avocado tree's journey, and with proper care it will continue to grow and thrive. From water to soil. Transplanting your avocado sprout. Once the avocado sprout has grown to about 6 to 8 inches tall with a healthy root system, it's time to transition it from water to soil. This is a crucial step in the growth of your avocado plant, as it will allow the roots to expand and the plant to access more nutrients. Begin by carefully removing the avocado sprout from the water. Be gentle to avoid damaging the delicate roots. Next, carefully remove the toothpicks from the seed. These toothpicks were used to suspend the seed in water, but now they are no longer needed. Choose a pot that's about 6 inches in diameter with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. The drainage holes are essential as they allow excess water to escape, preventing the roots from rotting. Fill the pot with well-draining potting mix, leaving about 1 inch of space at the top. A well-draining mix is crucial as it ensures that the roots have access to both air and water, promoting healthy growth. Gently create a small hole in the center and plant the avocado seed with the root facing down. Make sure the hole is deep enough to accommodate the root system without bending or breaking it. Bury the seed up to the sprout, leaving the top half exposed. This allows the sprout to continue growing upwards while the roots establish themselves in the soil. Water the soil thoroughly, ensuring it's moist but not soggy. Proper watering is key to the plant's health, so make sure the soil is evenly moist. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so be cautious. Finally, place the pot in a sunny spot. Avocado plants thrive in bright, indirect sunlight. Make sure the plant gets at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. With proper care, your avocado plant will continue to grow and thrive in its new home. Potting perfection, choosing the right home. The right pot can make all the difference for your growing avocado plant. While a 6-inch pot is suitable initially, you'll need to repot your avocado as it grows. Choose a pot that's slightly larger each time, ensuring good drainage. Terracotta pots are a great option as they allow the soil to breathe. Remember, a happy root system means a happy avocado plant. Nurturing your avocado plant. Now that your avocado plant is settled in its new home, it needs proper care to thrive. Place the pot in a location that receives plenty of bright, indirect sunlight. Water the plant regularly, allowing the topsoil to dry out slightly between waterings. During the growing season, which is spring and summer, you can fertilize your avocado plant every 4 to 6 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Pinch back the top leaves occasionally to encourage bushier growth. From seed to success, your avocado journey awaits. Congratulations! You've successfully embarked on the rewarding journey of growing your own avocado plant from seed. Remember, patience and observation are key. Enjoy the process, from the initial sprout to the eventual possibility of harvesting your own homegrown avocados. Every time you care for your avocado plant, you're nurturing a connection to nature and the cycle of life. So go ahead, plant that seed and watch in amazement as it transforms into a beautiful and fruitful reminder of your own gardening prowess.